Hi, this video is another example of a flow proof to show how we can work with congruent triangles. So if you take a look at our given, we actually have 3 pieces of information given. I'm going to take a minute to mark those in the diagram. So we have angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. We have segment AB is congruent to segment ED. And then we have angle A is congruent to angle E. So those markings give us a visual of what is listed here. Now we're going to take a second to list out these on the left. Remember, left is where we have our starting side. So we have angle 1 and 2, AB and ED, and then angle A and angle E. With each one of these pieces, we're going to write the word given because this was information that was listed at the top. Again, listed at the top after the word given. So here is the given, and all these are labeled because they were up there. These 3 sets of congruent parts are enough for us to use our shortcuts to show congruent triangles. So taking a closer look at our diagram, we have an angle, and a side. And over here, an angle, and a side. So we are going to use the angle, side shortcut. This S is listed at the end to show the side only touches one marked angle. So here on this triangle, segment ED is the side. It only touches angle E. It does not touch angle 2. Over here, side AB only touches angle A. That segment does not touch angle 1. Our shortcuts are used to show triangles are congruent. If you look at the corresponding letters, you're going to notice they're consistent. A matches with E, and here I have A matches with E. B matches with D. They're lined up together here. And C matches with itself. You can see up in the diagram how C is where we have the single angle mark. These congruent triangles are going to now help us work on segment BD. That's our goal. Take a second to highlight segment BD in the picture. We're trying to show that C is a midpoint for this pink segment that I just highlighted. So what we're going to do next is name the 2 smaller parts. So we're going to break it into BC and DC. These are corresponding parts. We have the triangles congruent, so we can match them up as congruent. So first you match up the triangle, then you can match up new pieces. In this case, it's a set of segments. We picked to work on segments here because our end goal was segment BD. So these are the parts, and that's the whole. And we've taken this set of matching parts and changed it into the vocabulary word midpoint. Pull up a little higher so you can see the whole thing. Again, this is what you know in the beginning, the given. It's a chain of 3 to match up your triangles. After your triangles comes a new set of sides or angles. In this proof, we picked sides because our goal was about a side. Remember, all the way on the right is going to match up with your prove. So given on the left, prove on the right.